Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to say about CSS selectors. CSS selectors are used to select the HTML elements you want to style. The syntax of the CSS is selector, curly braces open, property colon value. Here, this selector is mentions HTML element or XML element which is need to give a style for them. For example, I need to give a style for paragraph. So I'm mentioning p tag and giving the color property and value is pink. Let's see some of the simple selectors using the name, ID and class. I have created one simple HTML file. Inside that I have mentioned title, head and body. Inside the body I have mentioned three div elements. Now I have created CSS file. Inside that I have mentioned div selector and inside that background color lawn green. So let's see the result of this code. So here it's applied all the div elements in that file. So we can give the separate style for ID and different classes also. So let's see. I have mentioned div ID with hashtag and background color I have given pink and class name need to mention dot with dot and I given background color as a gray. Let's see the result for this one. So the background colors changed for different divs based on ID and class name and name also. Let's see the grouping selector also. Grouping selector means you can give the style for multiple elements. You can give the same style for multiple elements like ID selector and comma class selector. I want the same font color for both div. So I'm giving this. Let's see the result. So the both div font color gets changed. Okay. And also one of the selector is universal selector. It will change all of the element inside the HTML. Will apply this style. So I'm going to check text align as a center one for all the elements in that HTML file. So now it gets changed. Yeah, that's all. Now we have applied all the selectors and I have given the sample code in GitHub also. You can refer the link which is mentioned in YouTube description, and also this video available in Tamil language. If you need, you can refer that. Before that, if you are a new user to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.